Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Starbucks iced coffee blend is the same brewed iced coffee you already love in our stores. Roasted to accentuate its full-flavored taste when chilled, this blend of premium beans from Latin America and East Africa comes alive cold.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Certain Starbucks drinks are sneakily sweetened, including the iced coffee, iced teas, and the green tea latte. The iced coffee already comes with 2 pumps of classic, aka simple syrup, so if you order it with 2 pumps, you're actually getting 4.23 January 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Starbucks barista here. For the drip coffee, their standard fare is Pike Place, which is a medium roast. Thought it is roasted closer to the dark end of the spectrum. As far as their espresso-based beverages, they use their espresso roast, which, like most have stated, a medium, dark espresso blend.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Making iced coffee takes only a minute when you brew the coffee ahead of time. Just pour the morning's leftovers into a pitcher and keep it in the fridge. All you need is 1–1/2 cups of brewed coffee at room temperature. Pour the coffee into a clean ice cube tray and freeze.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Once your cold brew coffee is prepared and ready to serve, you require to dilute the high concentrate before drinking. This is why when you order a cold brew coffee at Starbucks, you see the barista add water or cream or alt milks with cold brew coffee to dilute the coffee before serving.
Make your mark, take our lead.
No, cold brew is made by combining water and coffee grounds and letting sit at least overnight. Iced coffee is made by brewing a hot pot of coffee and letting it cool. Because of that, cold brew can be a lot stronger than iced coffee, and it tastes better for longer periods of time before getting acidic.
Take our lead.
Arabica coffee beans. Both Dunkin iced coffee and cold brew use high-quality 100% Arabica coffee beans and are freshly brewed every day. However, each beverage's unique brewing process and signature flavor profile is what sets them apart. Dunkin Original Blend iced coffee has been beloved for many years. 16 May 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.